HeadshotBooth AI is a game changer for anyone looking to take their headshot and profile pictures to the next level. In this video, we're diving into 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this just released AI software. Stick around till the end because I'll also show you where you can try it for free and give you my personal recommendation on the best AI tools you can use right now. First off, let's talk about what HeadshotBooth AI actually does. This tool lets you upload your photo, and using advanced AI algorithms, it generates professional quality headshots in various styles. Whether you're updating your LinkedIn profile, working on your website, or simply need a new professional image, HeadshotBooth has you covered. What sets this AI apart is its ability to adjust to different lighting and environments. Many other photo editing tools struggle with these aspects, but HeadshotBooth nails it with incredibly accurate enhancements, making your headshot look like it was taken by a pro photographer. You don't have to spend hours trying to figure out complex photo editors anymore. The software does it all for you. Another huge selling point is the ease of use. You don't need any prior photography or editing skills to create a stunning headshot. Simply upload your picture, choose your preferred style, and let the AI do its magic. This feature is perfect for busy professionals or anyone who doesn't want to deal with technicalities. Now let's talk about speed. HeadshotBooth AI can generate high-quality headshots in mere seconds. What used to take professional photographers hours can now be done in under a minute. Plus, it offers batch processing, which is a huge time saver if you're working on multiple images for yourself or your team. You might be wondering how much this service costs. Well, here's the best part. You can try HeadshotBooth AI for free. Just head to the first link in the description below and you'll get a free trial to test it out for yourself. But there's more. If you decide to go for the premium version, it's still reasonably priced compared to other headshot editing tools on the market. One of the coolest features is the variety of styles you can choose from. From formal business headshots to more casual creative portraits, you have plenty of options. It's like having access to a full range of photographer styles at your fingertips. However, HeadshotBooth is not without its limitations. While the AI is incredibly accurate, it's still not perfect. In certain cases, the AI might struggle with unusual lighting or images with lower quality. But considering how new the software is, it's only going to improve as more users try it out. And finally, the best part about HeadshotBooth AI is its constant updates. The developers behind the software are committed to making it better with each release, so you can expect more features and improved capabilities in the future. In conclusion, HeadshotBooth AI is one of the most efficient, affordable, and user-friendly tools for creating professional headshots in seconds. Whether you're a busy professional or someone just looking for a quick profile update, this software is a must-try. I've tested hundreds of AI tools over the years, and HeadshotBooth stands out as one of the most innovative and easy-to-use platforms I've come across. Check out the link in the description below to try it for free and see for yourself. Don't forget, I've also included my personal recommendations for the best AI tools you can use right now. Try them out and let me know what you think in the comments.